Okay. Um, First of all, guys, please, guys, and thank you very much. Let's analyze the statement first and draw our timeline. At the beginning of 2020, Mr. Hlabe deposited 9,000 Rand into a money market investment account at an interest rate of 12% compounded semi-annually. At 12% compounded semi-annually. Look here, this is the change in interest. So when we have a change in interest, it is always wise to use what you call a timeline. I have also made you guys these notes on the videos above. Okay, so this is Mr. Hlabe. Let's draw our timeline first. At the beginning of 2020, Mr. Hlabe made a deposit of 9,000 Rand in a compounded semi-annually. Then at the beginning of 2023, so here I will have 2020. I will have 2020 here at the beginning. Then I will have 2023, and lastly I will have 2025. This is how easy it is. So Mr. Hlabe deposited a 9,000 Rand into a money market account at an interest rate of 12%. So here, from here to here, our I is equal to 12%, which is 0.12, all divide by semi-annually, that is half yearly. That is, we divide by 2. Then again, okay, he made a deposit of 9,000 Rand. 9,000 Rand. Then at the beginning of 2023, from 2023, he made, the interest dropped to 5.5. The interest dropped, that is, there has been a change. There have been a change in interest now as the interest dropped. So we have our I equal to 5.5% is the same as 5 divided by 100, which is 0.055. 0.055 divide by compounded monthly, so we divide this by 12, the number of months in a year, per annum. So how much will Mr. Hlabe have in his account at the beginning of 2025? So guys, this is the easiest, I guess. The change here is only on the interest. Let me zoom in my timeline and plug it here. Let me just plug it there. We're gonna need that timeline after some time. Yeah, that it's clear like that. It's clear like that. Yeah. So the solution now will say, okay, now from 2020, here we have N1 and N2, let me just say so. So the number of years from 2020 to 2023, so you just say 2023 minus 2020, you get 3, of course. Then you get 3. So at the first 3 years, the interest rate at the first 3 years, I was equal to 0.12 over semi-annual over 2. Then we say, okay, now 2025 minus 2023, 2020, oh my god, we say 2025 minus 2023, then we get 2 years, which means I was equal to 0.055 over 12 here. So let's keep our I values. Let me say this is I1 and this is I2. Then let me erase this. We know that we have the first 3 years, then we have the last 2 years. We have the first 3 years and the last 2 years. So here we'll say, okay, A is equal to P1 plus I all raised to the power n. This is the first 2 years. So you can say 2020. Allow me to erase all this and rewrite it here. Smooth. I want to say from 2020 to 2023, then A is equal to P1 plus I all raised to power n. That is equal to, so P is the money that was initially deposited into an account. So here we have 9,000. Then 1 plus, so I is 0.12 all divided by 2 all raised to the power n. So 2023 minus 2020 is 3 years. So you say 3 years times 2 since it's semi-annual. Then you say, okay, what is the answer now? Let's find out. 9,000 into 1 plus 0.12 over 2 all raised to some power 3 times 2. Then that is 12,766. That is 12,766, comma 67201. So at the end of the first 3 years, for 2023, Mr. Hlabe had this amount of money. When Mr. Hlabe have already made this money, then the interest rate dropped to 5.5%. So we need to, that is from 2023 to 2025, right? So let's keep this answer. Why don't I just erase this here? Because I want to have some space. And pick another color green. So A is equal to P into 1 plus I raised to the power that. But there is something that I have forgotten to denote here. That from 2023 to 2025. Then A is still equal to P1 plus I to the power n. A is equal to, so at 2023, Mr. Hlabe had this money. So let me say 12,766. I'm lazy to write it down. Let me just copy and paste it. But you, because you are a grade 11 or 12 learner, you cannot be lazy and copy and paste things. You cannot be lazy without a matric certificate. And that is not for a debate. Then we know you have seen that I took this money from here and to here. So 1 plus, then I now after this years. So the interest rate from 23 to 25 dropped to 5.5, which is the same as 0.055, all divided by monthly. Since it's monthly, I will divide here by 12. Then I will raise my answer to 12 times the last or the remaining period. Here now 25 minus 2023 minus 2020, 2025 minus 2023 is the same as 2. So 2 times 12, the number of months in a year. Then Mr. Hlabe will have, let me check, 1 plus 0.055 over 12, all raised to power 2 times 12. Oh my god, I made a mistake when punching my calculator. Okay. So he will have she will have 14,247, 57491. Therefore, she will have 14,247.57 cents. And thank you very much, good people. Don't forget to, what's the deal. Then we will come on this one now, and we are done.